I use these mosquito buckets on my 3-acre property, and they have worked better than any other method I've used in the past. I didn't realize how good they were working until I was talking to a neighbor and they were complaining about how bad the mosquitoes are right now. I really hadn't given them any thought since they hadn't been bothering me. This solution takes a little time to get control, but once in place and maintained, the results are great. I've seen similar builds, but they always seem overcomplicated. This design is simple, easy to make, and inexpensive. Here's what we're going to need for the build. I've got a 5-gallon bucket. You can also use other types of containers, but this needs to be dark in color. You're going to need a drill and a hole saw. I recommend getting a 1 3/4 inch saw if you don't already have one. That way you can use it in my other projects like the aeroponic cloner. If you already have hole saws, pretty much any size will do, but between 1 and 2 inches is ideal. We're going to need some mosquito dunks or bits, and then we're going to need some yard debris. And of course, we're going to need some water. So let's get into this build. Okay, let's get started building this mosquito bucket. So the first thing we want to do is just make sure that our bucket is completely blocking all light. So I spray painted this one, but an easy way to check is just hold it up to the sun or to light, and you'll be able to see if you can get light through the bucket. So you really want it dark in there. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to drill 3 to 4 holes around it, and you're going to drill them right at about the 2/3 mark. Doesn't have to be exact, just get it close. So let me go ahead and do that. There's one. So I should turn that clutch up a little bit. That's 2. And 3. Get the plastic out of there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the yard debris. Now I like for there to be some sticks, leaves, a little assortment of stuff. Some of this stuff's going to break down pretty quickly, but you want some sticks and things that are always floating in there. The mosquitoes want a static water environment. They want the water very still, but they also need a place for them to land and sleep and lay their eggs and such. So we'll put a mix in here, and this is coming right up to about the third level, about a third way up the bucket. And then just put water in there, go ahead and bring it up to the top level of that where it just starts to float. But there should still be debris floating, and there should also be plenty of open water for the mosquitoes to lay the eggs into. Now that should be enough water to hold us for a while, so it shouldn't evaporate very quickly. But you don't really need a whole lot of water, and they require very little water. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to drop a mosquito dunk in there. I'm going to use a 1/4. These are really easy to break, so just break it in half and then break it into a 1/4 and just put that in the water. Now you can also use the bits. If you're going to use the bits, you're going to put about a teaspoon in there, but you're going to have to put another teaspoon in about every week. With the dunks, you're going to do a 1/4 dunk, but they'll go for 30 days. So that's the route I prefer to go. So at this point, it's ready to go. All we got to do is cover it. And just like the bucket, make sure your cover does not let light through. They want it nice and dark in there. And then I will go set this out in the yard and it'll be good to go. It takes a week or 2 to really see the difference, but you should be relatively mosquito-free within a month. I have 5 of these around the property, 2 in the front and 3 in the back. You can paint them like I did to make them blend in better. You can also place multiple, maybe smaller ones around problem areas. When we get a lot of rain, I put the small ones near an area that tends to flood. I'll also toss a few dunks into the standing water. Have you used something similar to this or have other mosquito control ideas? Let me know in the comments.